Formation of Chambal ravines.
It's very interesting that the ravine formation on the Chambal River is quite different to other rivers. The normal procedure is runoff from fields during rains followed by sheet erosion, soil erosion, gully erosion, deep gullies and then ravine. But here, only deep ravines are formed right from the start. Ravines are more dangerous where river bank has elevation more than 30 to 40 meter from its bed. The soils on the banks of river in Shiopur, Morena and Bhind district of Madhya Pradesh are alluvial and the sand increases with its depth. The organic matter content is too less and binding capacity is very poor. Under continuous rains, much water moves inside profile. Due to its high infiltration rate and a strong hydraulic head is formed that breaks the sand at the base of existing ravine, and pit holes are formed towards persisting ravines, and thus the sand moves with subsurface flow towards riverbed. And after few hours, a big cavity is formed at the base of the profile. Continuous rains makes the profile wet, and due to divine drizzling, the whole marked profile slips down and goes to river with flowing water brine in dispersed phase. This is continuously causing great loss to water, soil and nutrients. And the situation is getting even worse as it is going on spreading, as a result forcing the villagers to move away from the river basin.
Checking of Chambal ravines.
These ravines are further advancing in tablelands, and we are losing about 8,000 hectares of fertile land every year. This can be checked by using appropriate technologies, and ravines can be converted into a hub of agriculture to crop production, fruit production, forest, or even paradise to tourists by preserving the area and checking its further advancement. The method is very simple and very effective to save our natural resources, as it's evident that due to sliding of profile, a straight angle is formed with tableland soil. The technology advises to make its angle slanting or make a terrace of 1.5 to 2 meter width and create steps of 2 to 2.5 meter depth. And if there's 20 meter deep ravine, it's to be converted into 5 to 8 steps. A strong hedge is recommended on the edge of profile grasses on slanting open face of profile. This will save a huge amount of soil and nutrients and contribute in recharge of groundwater. A very strong technology has been generated from the scientists of RVS KUV Gwalior to save runoff losses from existing ravines by innovative improved Gabion technology. Here a submersible masonry dam is overlaid by Gabion, which is very effective and long-lasting with economic expenditure.